Introducing this frame-off restored 1955 Ford Fairlane, driven 5,000 miles. Featuring a fresh 302 engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, the car boasts a rust-free body, new suspension, wiring, exhaust, and interior. Some minor mechanical adjustments are needed, including a shifter fork replacement. Despite lacking heat, air, and power steering, this car offers a thrilling driving experience. Check the link for further details. Next up is the 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, a nearly finished restoration project with 100,000 miles. This off-white classic with a blue interior features a Y-block 312 motor, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. Recent updates include new head gaskets, fuel pump, distributor, spark plugs, and radiator hoses. While some moldings in the rear passenger window need installation, this car is a great find for classic car enthusiasts. Check the link for further details. Introducing the 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, a well-preserved classic with 44,444 miles. Featuring a white exterior and black interior, this car is powered by a strong V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It boasts good paint, tires, and a solid interior. This vehicle is ready to hit the road and turn heads wherever it goes. Check the link for further details. Next up is the 1965 Ford Fairlane 500, a beautifully maintained classic with 65,000 miles. Featuring a blue exterior and tan interior, this automatic petrol-powered vehicle has undergone extensive engine work, including new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and an electric fuel pump. The interior is in good condition, and the car has been regularly driven. Despite minor imperfections, it remains a solid and dependable cruiser. Check the link for further details. Introducing the 1964 Ford Fairlane 500, a timeless classic with 123,456 miles. This blue beauty features an automatic transmission and offers a fantastic opportunity for restoration or enjoyment as is. With a strong following among collectors, this Fairlane is an excellent addition to any classic car collection. Check the link for further details. Introducing the 1956 Ford Fairlane, a two-door post model featuring a 351 Windsor motor paired with an automatic transmission. This classic car runs and drives well, and it comes with extra parts, including new rear and front door glass. Being a southern car, the body is in good condition with chrome bumpers and a nice interior. However, it requires paintwork and attention to an exhaust leak. A solid project for any classic car enthusiast. Check the link for more details. Presenting the 1960 Ford Fairlane, a two-door classic powered by a six-cylinder engine and manual transmission. This vehicle has a solid body with minimal rust, although the driver's side floorboard needs minor patching. With only 2 previous owners and a clear history, it won't take much to get this classic running again. It comes with a clean title and is priced at $4,800 or best offer. Click the link for additional details. Next up is the 1967 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door hardtop. Powered by a 302 engine with a C6 transmission and an 8-inch rear end, this vehicle is in excellent condition. Featuring a straight body, 4-wheel disc brakes, and chrome Kragar mag wheels, it is finished in Wimbledon white with a black interior. The tires are in great shape, making it a turnkey classic ready to enjoy. For further information, follow the link provided. Check out the 1958 Ford Fairlane 500, an all-original classic that runs great with a powerful 352 big block engine and automatic transmission. With 86,000 miles, this vintage gem is in excellent running condition and retains its original charm. Perfect for collectors or those seeking a solid piece of automotive history. More information can be found via the link. Here is the 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, featuring a rebuilt 302 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has received numerous new parts and is fully ready to cruise. Its classic styling and well-maintained mechanics make it a great addition to any collection. Explore more details through the provided. Introducing the 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Retractable, fully restored about a decade ago and retrofitted with a 4.6 V8 engine. The car is in excellent condition with no dents, scratches, or dings, and it runs flawlessly. The paint and interior are in great shape, making it an ideal classic for enthusiasts. For complete details, check out the link. Presenting the 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible, a well-maintained classic restored to its original colors inside and out. Equipped with a 312 engine and a clean title, this convertible is in excellent condition and ready for a new owner. For additional details, please follow the link. Up next is the 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 with only 63,275 miles. This classic is in very good condition for its age, featuring an automatic transmission and a stylish black-on-black exterior. It runs and drives great, making it a desirable classic. Visit the link for more information. Take a look at the 1959 Ford 500, featuring a 312 V8 engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, and a 9-inch rear end with 3.55 gears. This well-maintained classic is a great runner and is priced at $13,500. Follow the link for more details. Introducing the 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxy Series, a two-door hardtop equipped with a 352 V8 engine and automatic transmission. This vehicle has undergone extensive restoration, including re-chromed trim, re-upholstered interior, and numerous new components such as windshield, radiator, and tires. With no rust and a solid build, it's ready for a new owner. See the link for further details. Introducing the 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, a classic four-door hardtop that retains its matching numbers and original charm. With 55,000 miles driven, this vintage beauty features an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior paired with a black interior, and runs on petrol. The car includes its original keys and owner's manual, and while the engine runs smoothly, the transmission has been rebuilt but does not currently drive. This Fairlane is a fantastic restoration project, with 34 different parts stored in the trunk, ready for assembly. Some areas of rust are present, particularly in the trunk and below the left rear door. With its timeless design and potential for restoration, this Ford Fairlane 500 offers a solid foundation for classic car enthusiasts looking to bring it back to its former glory. Be sure to check the link for more details. Next up is the stunning 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner, a vehicle that stands out in pristine condition inside and out. This classic car offers an impressive driving experience with very low mileage and zero issues. Maintained with the utmost care, it has been garage kept to preserve its original paint, ensuring there are no scratches, dents, or rust. The Fairlane Skyliner has never been involved in accidents and has been kept smoke-free and pet-free, making it an exceptionally well-maintained example of this iconic model. Whether you're looking for a showpiece or a reliable weekend cruiser, this Skyliner is a remarkable find. Explore further details through the provided link.